Ever wondered what makes the new iPhone 15 series such a game changer? What's the secret behind its aerospace grade titanium build? Keep watching to uncover all the thrilling details. First, let's dive into why this topic has everyone buzzing with excitement. This isn't just a new phone release, it's a leap into a whole new era of technology. You won't believe what sets the iPhone 15 series apart. It's all about the titanium marvel at the core of these incredible phones. We're talking aerospace grade titanium, the same stuff used in spacecraft design. This makes the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max unbelievably light yet incredibly strong. Imagine a material that's light enough to make it into space but sturdy enough to return to Earth. That's titanium for you. But wait, there's more. The iPhone 15 series introduces not one, not two, but four stunning Pro finishes. Plus, it now boasts a super fast USB-C connector for lightning fast data transfers. And here's the icing on the cake, a customizable action button that gives you quick access to your favorite features. From launching the camera to activating shortcuts, it's all at your fingertips. But the titanium marvel doesn't stop there. It's what makes these iPhones truly exceptional, and we're just scratching the surface. Now let's delve into the power-packed world of gaming with the iPhone 15 series. Picture this, you're in the middle of an epic virtual battle and every detail comes to life right on your screen. How's that possible, you ask? Well, Apple has equipped the iPhone 15 Pro with the mighty A17 Pro chip, a gaming powerhouse unlike any other. This cutting-edge chip boasts a new 6-core GPU and a faster neural engine, taking mobile gaming to jaw-dropping heights. It's like strapping a rocket to your phone. Thanks to this incredible processing power, you'll experience graphics that are more lifelike than ever before. Whether you're exploring mythical realms or facing off against fierce opponents, the iPhone Pro 15 delivers an immersive gaming experience that's truly out of this world. The action-packed games you love are now smoother and faster and more responsive than ever. Your adventures will burst with stunning visuals and thrilling moments. But that's just the beginning. Apple's iPhone 15 Pro is about to redefine what you thought was possible in mobile gaming. Now let's venture into the captivating realm of pro photography with the iPhone 15 series. What's so extraordinary about these camera systems, you ask? Well, imagine having 7 pro-level lenses right at your fingertips, ranging from a wide 13mm shot to an incredible 120mm 5x telephoto lens on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. That's like having a high-quality camera kit in your pocket. And for all those photography enthusiasts, the Pro Max boasts the longest optical zoom ever seen on an iPhone, thanks to its groundbreaking Tetra Prism lens. And here's the kicker. You can tweak the focus and create stunning portraits after you've taken the shot. The possibilities are endless. Now let's talk about the real game changer, the iPhone 15's filmmaking revolution. Brace yourself for this epic revelation. With this new iPhone, you can literally become a filmmaker in the palm of your hand. It's not just about taking photos, it's about creating cinematic masterpieces. Imagine shooting in ProRes 4K at mind-blowing 60 frames per second. That's a level of quality that can rival professional movie cameras. And the best part? You can now record directly to an external drive, making your workflow smoother than ever before. Say goodbye to those tedious file transfers. But that's not all. The 48 megapixel main camera takes your photos to a whole new level. You can turn them into portraits after you've taken them, giving you incredible control over your shots. It's like having your own photo studio right in your pocket. And remember that crazy long optical zoom? Thanks to the innovative Tetra Prism design, you've got a massive telephoto lens tucked inside that sleek iPhone. It's time to catch the details you never thought possible. Now let's talk about a big shift, the Lightning to USB-C transition. You might wonder, what's the big fuss about changing the charging port? Well folks, here's the scoop. In the past decade, iPhones rocked the Lightning port, but it's time for a change. Apple's switching to USB-C, the same port you find in most modern gadgets. It's all about keeping up with the tech world's pace. No more hunting for that one special Lightning cable. USB-C is everywhere. But what if you've got a bunch of Lightning accessories? Don't worry, Apple's got adapters to keep your gear working. So while it might be a bit of an adjustment, USB-C is a step forward. You'll enjoy faster charging and more versatility. Plus, it has fewer cables, less waste, so get ready to embrace the USB-C era. It's a small change with big benefits. Your iPhone 15 will be more powerful, efficient, and future-ready. Now, let's talk about the powerhouse that fuels this beast, iOS 16. It's not just a simple update, it's a whole new level of awesome. With iOS 16, your iPhone 15 becomes a smooth operator. Picture this, blazing fast app launches, super responsive touch controls, and multitasking that's so seamless, you'll wonder how you ever manage without it. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. iOS 16 brings an arsenal of new features. Say hello to enhanced privacy controls, giving you the reins over your data. You decide who gets what info. Plus, there's this nifty focus mode that helps you stay in the zone whenever you're working with gaming or just chilling. It's like having a personal assistant for your digital life. And when it comes to camera magic, iOS 16 takes the cake. It's all about those jaw-dropping photos and videos. The new Pro camera system gets an extra boost, making every shot a masterpiece. You can even turn your photos into stunning portraits after you've taken them. Talk about creative freedom. But here's the real kicker. iOS 16 paves the way for jaw-dropping augmented reality experiences. Imagine overlaying digital wonders onto the real world through your iPhone. It's like stepping into a sci-fi movie. The possibilities are mind-blowing. Now let's talk about something that's not just exciting but also important: sustainability and eco-friendly initiatives in the iPhone 15 series. You might be wondering how these cutting-edge gadgets can also be kind to our planet, right? Well, here's the deal. In the quest for greatness, Apple has taken a giant leap towards sustainability. These new iPhones boost eco-friendly materials, including aerospace-grade titanium, which is not only super strong, but also environmentally responsive. This means less waste and a more sustainable future. But wait, there's more! The iPhone 15 series also comes with energy-efficient components, reducing its carbon footprint. It's like having the power you need without harming the environment. Plus, with faster USB-C transfer speeds, you can cut down on energy consumption during charging and data transfers. Now, here's the plot twist. Apple is committed to making all of its products carbon neutral by 2030. That's right, they're on a mission to combat climate change and create a greener world. In the ever-evolving world of iPhones, a lineup shuffle is the real showstopper. Here's the deal. When the hot new iPhone 15 hits the stores, Apple usually does some fancy footwork with the older models. Say goodbye to the previous iPhone 14 Pro. It's getting kicked out of the lineup. But here's where it gets interesting. The regular iPhone 14, it sticks around, and guess what? It gets a price cut, making it quite the budget-friendly option. But hold on, there's more. For the first time ever, we have the iPhone 14 Plus in the mix. This could be the wallet-friendly big screen iPhone you've been dreaming of. With the iPhone 15 and 14 Plus sharing the same price tag, you've got a tough choice ahead. Do you go for the snazzy new design of the iPhone 15 or opt for the larger screen and possibly better battery life of the iPhone 14 Plus? It's a real head-scratcher. And here's the plot twist. Both these phones will set you back the same amount. So which one will you pick? The new kid on the block with a sleek design or the tried and true bigger blue screen champ? The decision isn't as easy as it seems. Plus, there's the added excitement of the iPhone 13 stepping in to replace the iPhone 12 in the lineup, bringing you a modern iPhone experience at a lower price point. And there you have it, the inside scoop on the iPhone 15 series lineup and its mind-blowing features. But the tech world is always evolving, and there's so much more to uncover. If you're as thrilled about these new iPhones as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and of course, subscribe to Celebrity Fox for all the latest updates on gadgets, gizmos, and everything tech-related. Who knows what incredible innovations the future holds? Stay tuned with us to find out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the ever-expanding world of technology.